Your garden needs compost, but if you want to go organic, how better way to literally do your compost from scratch? Today we'll be mixing our nitrogen with our carbon. So we're gonna go 2 bags. So each bag is like a day worth of waste. And basically in each bag there are eggshells, tea bags, food scrappies, and even cutting off, so these were like peas, from its spade, and then we just breaking it down. Okay, so for 1 round of nitrogen, we're going to put double that of compost. Double that of carbon. So we have all that brown. So again, if you do have okay, so we're just gonna put toilet paper. Mix it over. Okay, so obviously you can also, if you want, is to cut it up into smaller pieces. Just make sure you wash up your scissors, because we do use the scissors for healthy produce as well, just to make it even smaller, because that's going to take a while, as you can imagine. But if you can shred it, it's even better. Just a little bit of sand over it. Then we're gonna put a little bit more okay, so again, this is nitrogen.